So we're at Skagway here.
Hello. Nice. Love it.
You're welcome.
That's a good. What did you get a pink bag in? Pizza.
Pizza?
Thank you. Thank you.
That is
Free trains.
fire. Fire. I would storm.
Oh yeah.
Today is Thursday, July 13th, 2023.
There's your Skagway Marine Company.
Oh, okay.
Walking shop.
Gotta check out the stuff over here. We got a saloon. Probably a few restaurants. But not really hungry right now. Check out the gift shop for a bit. Hello. Looks like you got some outdoor gear. Don't really need any.
Luckily they don't do that here. I'm waiting today that they do.
As you can see, let's take a look at those mountains there. Pretty beautiful, isn't it? I think it's got a couple of restaurants here. Nothing too crazy. Across the street here. Yeah, it's about going on 10 o'clock in the morning today. The town of Skagway, Juneau, and wherever that other town was I went to first. Yeah, those towns are all going 1 hour behind Pacific time, which Pacific time is what the west coast of the United States goes by. Alaska, at least southeastern Alaska, is 1 hour behind that. Just thought I'd point that out. So,
And then you get home and you're like, oh, this is not it.
This way, I'll be this way.
Like, oh, they probably know.
That is their social way, what they do. If you get in your way, people run you over. They're fine. Restroom here. Where are you going to go?
Hey, just stay here.
And any of you guys who are familiar with the town of Skagway, you might be wondering, what about the White Pass and Yukon Route Railway? And I did not forget about that. We will be doing that in the next episode, and I'll have a whole video dedicated just to that, and you'll get to hear a little bit more about the history of Skagway and more information. So if you were not impressed by this video, don't worry, because there's going to be a part 2 coming out possibly next Friday, August 25th, but that could be changed because it depends on if I have enough time to edit, and I don't want to rush it. But I'm definitely looking forward to that video coming out, because honestly, the Yukon route was the highlight of my trip to Alaska. And then after I do release that video, now that I have showed you guys all 3 towns I've been to, we're eventually going to do a comparison of the 3 places, and I'm going to give my opinion on each place and say which one I like the best, and really which one I recommend traveling to if you had to pick one. I mean, I recommend traveling to all 3 towns if you can, but if, money's tight or you don't want to go on a cruise to do it, then different reasons to go to each of the towns. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.